So, you like this Picasso nude?
It is, how do you say, very provocative.
Yes, like my work in Playboy.
How do I know it's valuable?
Let me call the boss. He's a Picasso expert. Hello, my friend. 10 minutes later.
Okay, I'll take it.
How about this impressionist painting?
Who is he?
He's a third tier.
Never mind. We only buy the best artists in art. This is crap.
How about this Liechtenstein?
I would think about it. You have vodka?
The next day. So, have you given any thought about the Liechtenstein?
Add it to my account.
Great, I will get it to the framer. The next day. You'll make a lot of money on this Russian. I will reprint everything. 4 days later.
Where is the Liechtenstein? I have a party with lots of vodka and Mafia.
It should arrive any day.
This idiot will have to buy Damon Hirst on the street.
So when do I get my commission? We lost the second sale. What the f***? I need a shot of vodka. Me too, Nastrovia.